Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all nursing practice questions. Anatomy and Physiology II comprehensive lecture practice questions with answers.
Question 1. Which organ is primarily responsible for filtering blood and forming urine? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Lungs. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Kidney. Explanation. The kidneys filter out waste products, maintain fluid and electrolyte balance, and produce urine, playing a crucial role in the body's excretory system. Question 2. Which structure in the heart prevents backflow of blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium? A. Pulmonary valve. B. Tricuspid valve. C. Aortic valve. D. Mitral valve. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Mitral valve. Explanation. The mitral valve ensures unidirectional blood flow between the left atrium and left ventricle, closing during ventricular contraction to prevent backflow. Question 3. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? A. Pulmonary vein. B. Pulmonary artery. C. Inferior vena cava. D. Aorta. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Pulmonary vein. Explanation. The pulmonary vein uniquely carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart, unlike most veins which carry deoxygenated blood. Question 4. Which component of blood is primarily responsible for clot formation? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. Plasma. D. White blood cells. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Platelets. Explanation. Platelets are cell fragments that activate clotting processes, preventing excessive blood loss after injury by forming a blood clot. Question 5. Which hormone is secreted by the pancreas to lower blood glucose levels? A. Glucagon. B. Insulin. C. Cortisol. D. Epinephrine. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Insulin. Explanation. Insulin helps decrease blood glucose levels by facilitating cellular glucose uptake and promoting storage of glucose in the form of glycogen in the liver. Question 6. Which part of the nervous system controls involuntary actions, such as heart rate and digestion? A. Somatic nervous system. B. Central nervous system. C. Autonomic nervous system. D. Peripheral nervous system. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Autonomic nervous system. Explanation. The autonomic nervous system operates subconsciously, managing essential bodily functions like heartbeat, digestion, and breathing without voluntary effort. Question 7. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood into the systemic circulation? A. Right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left atrium. D. Left ventricle. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Left ventricle. Explanation. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, delivering it to the systemic circulation to supply the body's tissues with oxygen and nutrients. Question 8. What is the main function of the alveoli in the lungs? A. Pump air in and out. B. Transport mucus. C. Facilitate gas exchange. D. Produce surfactant. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Facilitate gas exchange. Explanation. The alveoli are tiny air sacs where oxygen diffuses into the blood and carbon dioxide is released, making them the primary site of gas exchange in the lungs. Question 9. Which digestive organ is primarily responsible for nutrient absorption? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Esophagus. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Small intestine. Explanation. The small intestine, particularly its jejunum and ileum sections, is highly specialized for absorbing digested nutrients through its villi-lined walls. Question 10. Which structure regulates water balance and controls the release of antidiuretic hormone? A. Cerebellum. B. Pituitary gland. C. Hypothalamus. D. Thyroid gland. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Hypothalamus. Explanation. The hypothalamus monitors blood osmolarity and triggers the release of ADH from the posterior pituitary to conserve water and maintain fluid balance.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.